Okay, so I'm just going to show you the trickiest bits in this solo just to get you started. Again, my version isn't perfect, but I'll just show you what I did. So, in G minor pentatonic, you form the first part, add the double string, bit of vibrato. Then I use this little trick where I get the side of my plectrum and I just shake it, get on the pentatonic and tap it. Again, it's probably not what he does, it just creates a similar sound. And then we've got this nice little riff here. And picking wise, down, up, down, pull off. Okay, the next tricky bit is here, and it's like this. Pull off, and picking wise, down, 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 up. Okay, now to everyone's favourite part, on the pentatonic. Now I prefer to do this with my fingers, I think it makes it a lot easier. Second finger and thumb I use. So I go up with the finger, down with the thumb, down with the thumb. And then the next part, still on the pentatonic on the bottom two strings. Again, you can stay with your fingers here. Down and an up. Pull off. Then move the whole thing up one string. Hopefully that helps.